Hello, Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card with the Love of Leaves bundle. So here's the card right here, really cute, and then here's the bundle. The stamp set has all these cute leaves and sentiments. Each leaf has a corresponding die that cuts it out. It also cuts out an outline with stitching, which is really cool, and inside stitching. It also has this extra die here that I used on this card to create the stitching right here. Let me bring the card up closer so you can see that stitching. Really cool. So I've already stamped and cut out all the leaves. I've stamped this one in Pretty Peacock, Bumblebee, Cajun Craze, and Cinnamon Cider. I've used the Gilded Autumn Designer Series paper and a very vanilla thick card base. This is really fun paper. One side has copper foil or different foil, gold foil, and the other side has a pattern. So I'm going to use the pattern side, and then I'm going to put dimensionals on here. Pop this side up. And then I think this leaf gets dimensionals. I also added stitching to all the leaves using the dies. So I think you can see it really well on this leaf right here. Hopefully. So I'll just add this to the middle. Just put some adhesive on these large petals or leaves and place it right there. I'll do this one. Oh, and I'm out. So we will replace this. So you open it up, and this piece right here you're going to throw away. Then you're going to walk over to your drawer and you're going to grab a new one. And it comes in a package like this. And you're going to open it up. Do you rip it? Nope, you just open it up. This is only the second one I've had to refill. And you place it in here. Sticky. There's a whole bunch of sticky right there, so I'm just gonna take the opportunity to clean this out a little bit. I'm still learning how to use it. It does take a little bit of learning, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in here, line these up, and then I'm gonna pop this back on. Okay, now I'm gonna do it. I gotta get it queued up first. Cue it up. All right, now we're back in business. Okay, I'm gonna trim this a little bit because it's kind of long. Probably about halfway is good. And then I'm gonna place it about here. And then same thing for this. Throw that away. And then this one, go over here. Here. And now we're gonna emboss. So I'm gonna emboss this with sentiment. So I've got my Versamark, my very, very juicy Versamark. And I'm just gonna get my little buddy to help me wipe off any extra particulates or grease. Stamp this in the bottom right corner. And then put some powder on this. Let's see, tweezers are a good thing to use. And put away the Versamark. Grab your heat tool. So fun to watch the powder melt and become this glimmery, shiny sentiment. All right, so now we're gonna trim this a little bit, let it cool a tiny bit. While we do that, I can grab my gold coil. I can tie a bow. Kind of a big bow. I'm just going to tape this back up again because it's going to want to unravel. And we'll add this to the card. About right here. And then we'll trim this off. And then add some dimensionals. And add the last leaf. I'm just going to trim off a little bit piece that's like hanging off. And there we are. So I'm offering a class on the Love of Leaves bundle, and it includes 2 of these cards, 2 of these cards, and 2 of these cards. Just go to my website and place a $30 order using this hostess code. Send me an email and let me know that you want the Love of Leaves bundle card kit, and I will send it to you. And I recommend that you purchase this bundle so that you can make these cards. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my videos, including my other Love of Leaves bundle videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.